I enrolled in the ID Therapy Business Accelerator course, and honestly, it was the best decision of my life. A year ago, I felt lost. My dream of owning an ID clinic seemed impossible. I was stuck between 12-hour shifts building someone else's business. I knew I had the clinical skills to go out on my own, but executing that vision, that terrified me. I didn't know how to start my own clinic, and my marketing knowledge was non-existent. But the Business Accelerator course changed everything. It didn't just offer advice, it gave me a clear step-by-step blueprint. Also, whenever I faced problems, the instructors and the community helped me every step of the way, even after I completed the course. I learned over 30 IV formulations and offered more options to my patients. We were fully booked within the first few weeks. Now, I own my time. I've tripled my income. And I'm actually enjoying healthcare again. That distant memory I once had is now a thriving, successful business. If you're feeling lost or stuck like I was, stop trying to figure it out on your own. You deserve this kind of freedom and autonomy. Click the link and get the blueprint. It's time to turn your dream into your reality.